Hello student, welcome back to online classes. Today I am going to take the class for 4th standard, that is the transport and communication. So I show some pictures. Take out your textbook, see here. Some pictures are given here. Observe the picture given below and write their speciality for you find in the picture. Okay, here some pictures are given here. See here, ox and bullock are carry peoples and goods from one place to another place. Okay, observe the pictures and write here. Okay, here observe this picture. Horse or carriage is used to carry people from one place to another. Okay, here donkey. Observe this donkey. Donkey is used to carry loads from one place to another. Here, see here camel. Camel are used to carry people from one place to another place. Okay, here elephant. Elephant are used to carry load from one place to another place. Okay. Observe the picture given below. Identify the changes have you taken place is in transport and put serial number to show the order. Okay. Here see here horse cart. Here aeroplane. Here early man. Here ship, cycle, bullock cart, car and train. Here first man make the first take place in transport, early man. The second take place bullock cart. The third take place cycle. Then fourth take place car. Then fifth take place the ship. Then sixth take place the train. Okay. Now the name of the animal which were used for transport in olden days and write them in boxes with given below. Here you have to write in the box donkey, D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey, O-X, ox, H-O-R-S-E, horse, C-A-M-E-L, camel, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant, B-U-L-L-O-C-K, bullock. Okay. Now and write the name of the animal which are used for transport. Now horse, bullock and camel. Okay. Collect and paste here or draw the picture of animal which are used for transport. Okay, which are used for transport, you have to draw the animals. Which animals you have to draw? Which animals? Donkey, horse, ox, bullock, etc. You have to draw, otherwise you have to paste here. Observe the picture carefully, read the explanation given and match with the correct pairs. One example is given here. Newspaper. We use newspaper. Now information of the surrounding. Okay. Here you have to draw the underline newspaper to this one. Okay. Here next, here telephone. It is an instrument used to collect and send information in a short time. Okay. Next, here horse cart. In olden days it was used for transportation. Next, here computer. It is used to send information in the short time. Next, here this picture is pigeon. Here in olden days it was used to send letters. Here donkey. In olden days it was used to carry goods. Here aeroplane. Nowadays it is used for national and international travel. Here post office. Visit a nearby post office or contact the postman and collect information about the following and write here. Okay. Stamp. What is a stamp? A stamp is a small piece of paper which should be attached on the letter before sending. Okay. Post cover. What is a post cover? Post cover is a paper bag in which we post out letter. Parcel. What is a parcel? Parcel is in thing or an object which is posted to the given address. Speed post. What is a speed post? Speed post is used to send information card post faster than the regular post. Here some questions I will written here. Is there an different in use animal for transport between the olden days and now? In the olden days and now there is not a lot of different, but nowadays people will not use the donkey to carry their loads, but horse, bullock and camel are used now also to carry the loads. Okay. How do people look after the animal which are used for transport in your locality? How do people look after the animal which are used for transport in your locality? People put lot of goods and load and animals to carry from one place to another. People put lot of goods and load and animals to carry from one place to another place. Thank you, children.